What's up, everybody?
What is happening, Holmes?
You just ruined my intro.
Don't get my face in now.
Guys, you want to see how bad her skin's peeling? Look at that. Oh, yeah. Good to be back vlogging, though. I'm sorry about Wednesday, no video. I got super sick this week. I had tonsillitis. My throat was all swollen, still kind of swollen. I've been on freaking pills for like 2 days now to help, and I feel way better. So thank the Lord. But since I've been sick, I really haven't been able to do much. I haven't vlogged, which really sucks because I said I wanted to get more content, and then I got sick and I haven't done nothing, but that's about to change. I'm feeling better. We're gonna get some more videos. So it's Saturday today, and it's pretty much snowed all day. I'll let you guys take a look out my window. Yeah, everything's covered in snow. It's kind of still snowing out, but
we're about to go do some drifting, some donuts. Stop getting my face right now.
But yeah, so it snowed all freaking day. It's still kind of snowing pretty good. And I figured for some cool vlog content, since I am feeling a lot better and I'm just tired of being home for the past week. So me and Kayla, we're gonna go pick up Amber, go find some parking lots, maybe go do some drifting, go drive around, have some fun in the snow, and get some sweet footage for you guys. Clean. Oh my God! Yeah, it snowed a little bit. Not much, just a little bit. Enjoy that. Well, it sure was slick. Barely could pull up into the driveway. Did a little burnout. Sitting a little crooked, but screw it. What? What's up, yo?
What's up?
What's the game plan?
Well, you turned down my game plan.
What was your game plan?
I want to go sledding.
Well, I think you're the only one that wants to go sledding, and where are you wanting to go sledding at?
We can go behind your truck. We can go to Cottonwood. Cottonwood would be fun. I can see. I haven't sled in a long time. There's a lot of things we can do. I'm gonna go get gloves. We are leaving my house and we are going to go try and find a empty parking lot to do a little drifting. Are you gonna let me drive?
That's debatable.
What?
Kayla drives, I'm getting out.
What?
I'm like going across the street.
You sound like Brandon and Skylar, like when they wouldn't even get in the Razor with me. They got out for me to drive.
Do you remember that one time you drove me on the four-wheeler and I was like almost crying?
Yeah.
Is this a bad idea to let my girlfriend try and drift now? Yeah, this is definitely gonna be bad. My truck's gonna end up wrapped around that damn light pole. I love you, truck. She is so bad at this.
Amber's crying.
I am not.
She's like, let me out, Kayla, for real, let me out. That's the day, Slam the door on him. That's my dog.
Amber, so why do you not want to ride with Kayla?
Yeah. Well, you see, I trust you a little bit more not to wrap me around a light pole. So rude.
I told you.
What up, bachachos? What up, J Money?
What are you doing?
Well, we stopped back off at Kayla's after we were drifting for a little bit in the truck. Grabbed a quick snack and some sleds, and now we're gonna go hit up Cottonwood Park because usually they always have a sick hill, a bunch of kids build jumps, so usually it's pretty fun. So hopefully there's a bunch of people there. We literally just missed it. Amber was sliding in the driveway and just fell. You all right?
I literally said it's not slick enough.
And then fell. Well guys, we literally just pulled in the parking lot. Amber already fell getting out of the truck. She slipped and fell. How are you? You all right?
Bars. Bitch. Threw me off my game. All right, this one's for real.
The Walmart board's coming in clutch. Kid's shredding it. The kid said it. Oh.
You know, we're out here for the Winter Olympics. You know, USA, first place right now. USA, USA.
You look like you have no head. You look like you have no head right now.
But you know, the competition out here tonight, so honestly, I'll give it to them. It's pretty tough, but you know, this is what I've been training for, so I think I still have it in the bag. Give it my all and pray for the best.
Well, you better get up there and send it for us.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is how. All right, how am I gonna push you? Kayla, you give me your hand. All right, you ready?
The whole time you were running, your fucking boot was kicking
snow into our faces. I think I'm crying. It was the wind.
What was that? Here.
Thanks. Ooh.
Oh, Kayla's coming up on you though. She's coming up hot. Well, we're back home. Had to make myself some Theraflu because my freaking throat's on fire now that we've been out in the cold. How's your ice cream?
Good.
Good? Mm-hmm. How's yours?
Pretty good.
Well, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure you click that subscribe. That way you guys always check out videos. You should have hit that subscribe button before you even checked out this video. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you guys would rep some merch because we are going to get some merch coming pretty soon. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace!